directive through the current ministry certificate is based on law. Ere ankade asilichi lichiko. Under the Kenya National Examinations Act 2013, Section 10, I think Section 10, subsection 1B, it says you should not retain a certificate your mwana. That's the basis of that circular. Abange wa comply. Natwa ireta abange wa comply. Abande kero kuba boli batara comply wa nga certificate chira ige chine cha 1975. Banyane mbanya wochogoraki mbanya wochakuya. Akinyonyo mwalimu karoro utararwe a certificate ya abana retained omwana isikorete complaint nga certificate ya ne retained no mwalimu because after that directive ebago chokugenda courtini. It's not even a disciplinary action because you are violating the law, so we will just take them to court and charge them. That's what is going to happen. But I have not received so far any student telling me I received a. But also we have asked our county directors of education to ensure from each school the returns the reasons for retention so that we can move forward from there. So that was substantially complied, and I think it is already working because admitted, they got their result slips immediately and things like that.